3, 2, 1, start. Friends, it is a matter of deep satisfaction to me that you give me an opportunity to meet so many lawyers and judges on this occasion. Full stop. It is not often that I get such a chance. Full stop. The pleasure is therefore all the greater because you have enabled me to meet so many of you today. Full stop. Change paragraph. I am glad that during the short period of working of our constitution, our high courts have been discharging their duties to the satisfaction of all and also helping in raising the moral standard of the people. Full stop. I hope and trust that in future the value of the work of man in the legal profession, man of the judiciary and all men engaged in judicial work will be recognized even more than it's today. Full stop. It is a matter of concern to all of us that justice should remain suspended because of the very heavy pressure of work. Full stop. I do hope that something will be done soon, not only to clear the large areas but also to see that in future there is no accumulation of work for other people to attend to. Full stop. Our Home Minister has been very anxious and he has been telling me every now and then that in many areas there is delay in the disposal of cases as quickly as they would wish to. Full stop. Such delays have been causing lot of difficulties to the litigants, the lawyers and the judges as well. Full stop. He has been working for quite some time at a solution of this problem with great diligence. Full stop. I am sure within a very short time a new law will be introduced to reduce procedural delays. Full stop. Change paragraph. As for you, I would say that while you are in this profession, please bear in mind that after all, it is a noble profession in which the payment of fees is not so important as is sometimes imagined. Full stop. It is so the lawyers are supposed to be officers of the court required to assist the judges in deciding cases. The money of the cases is only a secondary thing. Full stop. In course of time, however, the latter aspect grew in importance. Full stop. We overslaves for the selfless work. Full stop. However that might be, I have no doubt that under our present constitution the importance of the legal profession certainly will grow more. Full stop. Change paragraph. You are rightly proud of the tradition of your court. Full stop. If I may say so, not only your court but all over justice, integrity and honesty and of fair play and fearless in dispensing justice. It is for this reason that we can look back today with a sense of pride and satisfaction on our old lawyers and judges. Full stop. This we have been able to maintain in perfect working order till today. Full stop. Had we attained our independence by a violent revolution, we do not know what you have happened to these institutions. Full stop. Fortunately for us, we succeed to a government working regularly and smoothly, and to a system of courts which did not stop its work for a single day on account of transfer of power or change in our status. Full stop. It is our duty to maintain this heritage and also, if possible, to enrich and to strengthen it. Full stop. Change paragraph. Sail May 10th March 1992 to the South India Stationery Mart, Madras. First. Full stop. Change paragraph. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated 1st March. Full stop. We are sorry to note that you need 3 more months to supply the items required by us, which are very urgently needed, and we are compelled to place our orders elsewhere. Full stop. We therefore request you to treat our order as cancelled. Full stop. Change paragraph. Regarding outstanding payment, we are advising our accounts department to send you a draft on the Indian Overseas Bank in full and final statements of your account with us. Full stop. Change paragraph. You are aware that we are in the market for well over a decade and that we have been doing business with you ever since we came into existence. Full stop. We have never delayed payments in the past even once. Full stop. Our creditworthiness in the market is well known to all those who are having dealings with us. Full stop. It is most unfortunate that you have made mention in your letter of the delay in payment in spite of the fact that the amount involved a very small one. Full stop. We may advise you that the delay in the payment is purely on account of oversight and not because of any other reasons. Full stop. Now that we have settled your account, please note that any future business with you will be only on hearing from you of your willingness to have connections with us. Full stop. Change paragraph. Yours faithfully. Exercise over.